Myself, Kamal, Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Jipoli, Dhaka.
मुकेश वधवा गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल जखोली अड्डा कैथल
धर्मेंद्र सिंगला G3
हमारा our model is clinometer. Clinometer is an instrument which based on the trigonometry. As all we know, trigonometry is ratio of two sides. As in the right angle triangle, we are taking base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Whenever we are talking about the sine theta is the ratio of the length divided by the hypotenuse. And then cos theta, base by hypotenuse, tangent theta, perpendicular by base. Generally we are saying what is the use of trigonometry. Trigonometry, here we are using the instrument. This instrument help us to find the height of any building, or even then we can find the height of the hills also without actually measuring this one. As I want to show, this is a clinometer, and this clinometer, this instrument help us to measure the angle of elevation. If we observe from down to upward, suppose here is at center point 0 and we see this one, blue one, then angle is this, and difference of these two is the angle. Theta is known, and we know distance between that point, distance between that building or tower from this clinometer is suppose 30 inch. Distance is known, angle is known. Out of 3, angle, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, out of 3, if 2 are known, then definitely we can easily find the third one. In this case, base is known. We are willing to find perpendicular by base, tangent theta. As I observe from this, the top of the building at this top, and here if we see angle is 45, then in that case perpendicular by base is equal to tangent 45. Here base is 30 inch, then perpendicular h by 30 is equal to tangent 45. Tangent 45 is 1, then h becomes equal to 30. One thing more I want to clear you, this is the base. So initially this is the eye of sight, and if we take this one, this is the base, and if we join this point to this, in that case this becomes the hypotenuse. And with the help of this instrument we will find this height, and this height is 30, and this is also suppose 30, or suppose this is a 20, then this is 20. By using this instrument, if this one is 30, then height of this total tower becomes equal to 50. So if anybody want to observe, he or she can observe. One thing more, if we see from top to the bottom, and I want to observe the bottom of this one, in that case this is the angle of depression. One thing more, generally students are confused. Whenever we are talking about the angle of elevation or angle of depression, we can say depression when we look downward, then depression comes, momentality. That's why if we see toward the downward, then up to down, then that is the angle of depression. If we see from toward the up, then angle of the elevation. So I welcome you people if you want to see. This is the working model for the clinometer. Thank you all.